Hello, and thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. The ability to concentrate fully is something we all need in our lives. Although sometimes not being able to focus is a sign of either poor nutrition or not being motivated, in many other cases, it is because of not knowing the resources to help focus. In this session, you will clear your mind and learn an effective resource to, from a state of inner peace, concentrate your attention more easily and for a longer time. To start, place yourself in a comfortable posture. Ideally seated to facilitate a balanced state of mental alertness. Close your eyes and focus them slightly upwards, towards the space between your eyebrows. By doing this, you turn your attention inward and on your mind. Your breathing gets deeper and slower each time. The slower and fuller it is, the better. This way, the rhythm of your mind and the flow of thoughts also slows down, making it easier to relax and focus. Continue with your eyes closed, observing your own mind. Ask your soul in the middle of this silence to help you evoke this state. Begin to imagine that desired state of concentration and mental silence. See yourself in your place of study or work, with all your senses and mental strength focused on your actions. While you are in this state, you see how attentive you are to your breathing. Taking care of your breathing helps you to be more present and be yourself. This fuels your motivation, so that whatever you are doing is born out of a true will to do it. Take a few moments to visualize yourself like this, focused and acting from your true self in the here and now. Now that you have strengthened this image of yourself in your consciousness, you are ready to move into the technique to ease concentration quickly. 1 to 3 minutes of this practice works as a mental switch into a concentration and mindfulness mode. Yet, it is preferable to dedicate some time before or in your routine to calm and clear your mind, as you have done at the beginning of this meditation. Having clarified this, let's begin. Without changing your current breathing rhythm, block your left nostril completely with a finger on your left hand, preferably the thumb. In such a way that both when inhaling and exhaling, you will do it through your right nostril. If you haven't started yet, start now. In case you have severe nasal congestion that prevents you from breathing sufficiently through that nostril, don't block it, but imagine as if you were breathing only through your right nostril. Breathe only through the right nostril. That way, you are telling your subconscious that it is time to move forward and dedicate yourself to what you know you want or need. Increasing focus and bringing ideas into action. Even if I stop guiding the breath from now on, you will continue to do it until I tell you to. Imagine your dream or commitment in front of you, either near or at a distance. Add as much detail to it as you like. By breathing like this, you awaken the solar mind and strengthen the projection of your dreams. And so it will be, and better every time you practice it. Continue doing the breathing with slower and deeper cycles. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Attentive and focused. Here and now. recording this practice deep into your mind to use it whenever you need it. Now, to close the practice, inhale strongly and maximally through the right nostril. Suspend the air inside as you lower and relax your left hand and release the left nostril. Now, exhale all the air. Go on to breathe normally. Meditating for a few seconds in silence, feeling the change in your consciousness thanks to this breath. You should now feel your mind much better able to concentrate. And best of all, it is still a very calm and meditative mindset. You'll stay alert to your own mind and the noises that may return. And if they do, close your eyes again and repeat this breathing pattern, or simply breathe deeply. In case you want to do this breathing on your own, remember to do it through the right nostril only. Because if you breathe through the left nostril, you will activate your lunar polarity, which increases emotional empathy and healing. It is not a bad energy, but won't help to get focused. You have now finished the meditation. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you for a future session.